Hi guys, you're welcome back to the channel. My name is Maxwell from Max Multimedia, and right here on your screen are two makeup flyer designs which I am giving out. Okay, so right here is the first one, and you can look at the layers neatly arranged, colored and named properly. Alright, so if you come to the second one right here too, you can see everything is neatly arranged. So if you like this template, all you are going to do is to head straight to your description box. There's a link right there. Click on that link. It's going to take you straight to my Paystack shop, where you get to download the file for just 18 cedis. Remember, all fonts, images and every other resources used are inclusive. Let me quickly show you this. So right here are the two Photoshop files. Then this is the zipper file which you are going to actually download. Okay, and if you download it, you are going to see every other thing right here inside the zipper file. Okay, so quickly let me show you. This is where if you click on the link, it's going to take you. Let me quickly show you that. All right, so okay, so once you click on the link, it's actually going to bring you to this page. Okay, so as you can see, the price for these two file or these two templates is just 18 Ghana cedis. Okay, so just click on buy now, and it's going to bring you to this form page where you get to fill in your name, your email address, and then your number, and then you are going to have to click on review and pay. So after that, you'll be brought to this page where you get to click on pay 18 cedis. So after that, you are going to be introduced to the payment page, where over here we have mobile money, we have a card, and then bank transfer. Okay, any of these three that is convenient for you, you just want to use that. If you're in Ghana, maybe mobile money would be the best option. So just click on the mobile money right here, and then insert here your mobile money number, and then you want to click on this confirm. So after that, you are going to be introduced to another page after the payment, where you get to download the zip app file, this particular file right here. Okay, so after that, you just going to extract the file, and you'll see every other thing right here in the file. So guys, this is how to get these two templates for just 18 Ghana cedis. All right guys, signing out for now. I will see you in my next post. Sign out.
It's greater, the one that lives in me is greater than the one in the world. The one that lives in me is greater than the one in the world. The one that lives in me is great, is so great. The one that lives in me is so great.